Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the essentials. Sign into the Microsoft account that bought Office because activation ties to that account. Once done, make sure system date and time are correct. Activation checks certificates and will fail if time is off. Next, check File, Account in Word to see the current license status and any partial key hints. This tells you whether it's a license mismatch, trial expired, or simply a sign-in issue. Now move to corrective steps. Next, repair the activation components to fix corrupted files. Start with Control Panel, Programs, run Quick Repair, and if that fails, run Online Repair because it reinstalls activation components. If a previous key conflicts, open an elevated command prompt and run the OSP. VBS removal commands to clear old product keys. This prevents key collisions. Once cleaned, sign out of Office on all devices and sign back in to force a license resync. This refresh often resolves the unlicensed state. To finish, apply the correct product key or link the subscription. Go to File, Account, change license and enter the purchased key or redeem at account. Microsoft. So Word recognizes ownership. If problems persist, run the built-in activation troubleshooter or contact Microsoft support. Have your account email and purchase proof ready to speed resolution. If everything else fails, create a new Windows user profile to test for
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.